I know if I'm able to start a course, or am I ready to be able to start challenging my OCD for what it truly is? And the answer is yes. We definitely can start to explore different options as far as what you can do to keep OCD at bay, and also some of the strategies, the coping strategies that we get into in the 3-week course. I'm just going to walk through the different things that you will obtain in the 3 weeks, and I want to make sure that I cover all 3 weeks for you. So on week 1 of the mini course, there is going to be just the basic understanding of the obsessions and compulsions, and then we're going to dive into coping strategies on week 2, and on week 3 is going to be more about why it's important to work with a coach. So let me just go over week 1, Introduction to OCD and its types. So here we're going to start decoding OCD and understand its complexities. So we'll explore the various types. Not everyone knows that there's several types of OCD that people can have, and one type can replace the other. And also we can live alongside 2 or 3 different types. So you may, for example, have contamination OCD, as well as hit and run OCD, as well as religious OCD. We call that scrupulosity. Another thing that we touch on week 1 in the program is we gain a deeper understanding of the underlying characteristics that connect different manifestations of OCD, and we build strong foundations to help you recognize and navigate your personal experiences. I always talk about foundation as being key. If we can create a great foundation and a solid foundation, just like in a building structure, and we get all the types of obsessions and compulsions down on paper, then we can start to challenge them. Without a strong foundation, things can crumble quite readily. So that is week 1. Week 2 is the power of cognitive behavior therapy in treating OCD. And you've heard me talk about this before. When we talk about cognitive behavior therapy, we're going to work on our mindset and be able to shift our brain and our thought patterns so that it's more about challenging and not giving in to the obsessions. And that's really, really important. If we're going to start challenging and facing it, we've got to be able to sit in the fear